everyone. Learning is not the product of teaching. Learning is the product of activity of the learners. It's almost a month since the new academic year has commenced, and we have started our classes in full swing. Here's a quick glimpse of all the activities that we have undertaken in June for grade 1 to 5. As we have introduced Bagless Day this year on Saturdays, we have conducted activities that are both informative and interesting. On the occasion of World Environment Day, students of grade 1 to 5 grooved to the music of Let's Tick Tick Plastic to spread awareness regarding plastic pollution. It is a fun activity to find eco friendly ways to replace plastic in our lives.
We students of grade 1 to 5 celebrate World Environment Day by participating in different activities in our class, such as fingerprint collage, designing a t-shirt, poster making, and writing a pledge, promoting the importance of World Environment Day by using our creative skills.
Group X Fitness conducted a session on fitness with dance for grade 1 to 3 students. It was an energized and fun-filled affair which made our Bagless Day more lively and entertaining. Students of grade 4 and 5 attended a public speaking session conducted by Mr. Karan Krasta and Miss Seema Morris. The session was organized to boost our confidence and eliminate stage fear among us. On the occasion of World Ocean Day, we, the students of grade 1 and grade 2, had an activity on jellyfish craft and crab craft to create awareness about saving the ocean and its creatures for future generations. We, the students of grade 1, were taught to chant Aikya Mantra, Sanskrit Prayers by our loving teachers. We sing them with lots of devotion in our hearts during the school assembly. By this, we have been introduced to our rich Indian culture and heritage. On the occasion of World Food Safety Day, charmuri making activity was conducted in grade 3. Sandwich making activity was conducted in grade 4. And fruit salad making activity was conducted in grade 5. We were made aware about the importance of hygiene while cooking. Attention was also drawn towards a way to avoid foodborne risks. We relished the food prepared by us. We students of grade 4 and 5 were excited to participate in swimming class. Swimming lessons help in attaining a healthy body along with a healthy mind. We had a joyous time with our classmates, enjoying a splash in the pool. Grade 1 to 5 explored the beauty and grace of classical dance in an exciting session with Miss Arpita. From mastering the basic footwork to learning the traditional mudras and prayer, these young dancers were on their way to discovering a new world of expression and art. Students of grade 3 to 5 were introduced to Taekwondo, the most famous Korean martial arts. We practiced the basic elements of the art taught to us by Mr. Krishna.
When teaching primary children, it is important to employ strategies that cater to their developmental needs and engage their young minds. Here we encourage hands-on activities and interactive learning experiences. We incorporate games, experiments, role plays, and group projects to actively engage children in the learning process.
This is just the beginning of our journey. Together, we will lead our students to apply the knowledge and skills in real world contexts. This will help them to bridge the gap between theory and practice, making their learning more relevant and meaningful. We thank you all, dear parents, for all the support and encouragement you've rendered to us.